What is up, YouTube? It is me, Branksname/PitCrafters here, and today we are doing an update on the new disturbances here in the Eastern Pacific and the Atlantic. So currently on May 19th, we have a new invest that I think became something like last night, and it has a 10% chance of forming in the next 2 days and a 40% of formation in the next 5 days. So currently here, you can see the storm is going to go here, and it could possibly go back up, so it can go down or back up, and this will be our first new storm of the year. Of course, it would be an early storm because it's May, because that's how it's been for the past 6 years. So technically, if you think about it, we have a full whole name list that, like, since the name list is like 6, and we've went through 6 years of these early storms on like May or April, that means we've completed a whole list. So that might be a record or something. I don't know. But yeah, that has nothing to do with that. It says here a non-tropical low-pressure system is forecast to develop a few hundred miles northeast of Bermuda by tomorrow afternoon and produced gale-force winds. The low is then forecast to move west-southwestward over warmer waters on Friday, and today's Wednesday, tomorrow's Thursday. And it could become a short-lived subtropical cyclone over the weekend to the northeast of Bermuda. The system is expected to move toward the north and northeast into a more hostile environment by Monday. No. So obviously this actually can have a chance of forming, about 40% chance in the next 5 days. So that's cool, and here's the models for it. As you can see, there it is right there. And as you can see, it will, right now it's like still it's like starting to rotate around here. So we can look at that on the satellite, actually. Yeah, we can see this rotation coming right there. So that is actually kind of interesting. And the storm, again, will go down a bit, and then it'll go back up and slowly dissipate. So that's really it for that. I'm gonna kind of, no, that's not in, that's like another thing. But yeah, it's kind of interesting how that is. And now we're gonna look at the disturbance in the Eastern Pacific, which it doesn't have as big of a chance as, well, this could potentially be Anna, on our name list. So this one will be, it was like a B name, but I think it was like Blanca, I don't know. I could be totally butchering that right now, but yeah. This has a 30% chance in the next 5 days and a 10% chance in the next 48 hours, which is 2 days. So this may be good. It says a low pressure system could form during the next day or so, or a few hundred miles south of the Gulf of, well, yeah, I don't know how to pronounce that. Thereafter, some slow development will be possible. So this could it says only move 5 to 10 miles an hour, so this won't be fast and probably not that strong. Or, I mean, it could, because, we never know. So we're going to look at the models for that and change this region. Where is it? Here. Okay. So I'm going to let it clear out. Alright. So now let's look at this. See, there's our invest, I believe. And again, slow development is possible. This might only be tropical depression or something. It probably can only get to that level. That's what I'm thinking, or maybe just like a very weak tropical storm. So this probably won't be anything that big. It probably just be a tropical depression, for that matter. So it might not even be anything big. But this thing in the Atlantic could be a subtropical storm. So yeah, that's just interesting to look at. I'm gonna close it off here. Like and subscribe, guys. Turn on notifications for the latest updates. And I'll see you guys next video. Bye-bye.